Highway surveyors in Rohini play a crucial role in the design and construction of highways and roads in the area. These professionals are responsible for collecting and analyzing data to determine the best course of action for designing and building safe and efficient roadways. Highway surveyors in Rohini utilize advanced technology and equipment to accurately measure and map the terrain, including the elevation, slope, and alignment of the land. By conducting detailed surveys, they can identify potential challenges and obstacles that may impact the construction process. The primary goal of highway surveyors in Rohini is to ensure that roads are designed and built with the utmost safety and efficiency in mind. They work closely with engineers, designers, and construction teams to develop plans that meet the specific requirements of each project. This includes considering factors such as traffic volume, speed limits, and environmental impacts. Highway surveyors in Rohini use their expertise to determine the appropriate lane widths, curves, and grades for a roadway to ensure smooth traffic flow and minimize accidents. SCON design is an essential component of highway surveying in Rohini. SCON, or subgrade correction number, is a measurement used to determine the amount of correction needed for a particular area of road construction. Highway surveyors in Rohini use SCON design techniques to calculate the depth and type of materials needed to stabilize the subgrade of a roadway. This is important because it helps prevent future problems such as cracking, settling, or uneven pavement. In Rohini, highway surveyors are essential to the planning and development of local roads and highways. These experts are in charge of gathering and analyzing data to choose the best approach for planning and constructing safe and effective roadways. The height, slope, and alignment of the ground are precisely measured and mapped by highway surveyors in Rohini using cutting-edge tools and technology. They can find potential issues and barriers that can affect the construction process by conducting thorough surveys. Highway surveyors in Rohini work to make sure that all roads are planned and constructed with the utmost safety and effectiveness in mind. They collaborate closely with construction crews, engineers, and designers to create designs that Highway surveyors in Rohini are essential to the planning and development of the region's highways and roads. For the purpose of designing and constructing safe and effective roadways, these experts are in charge of gathering and interpreting data. In Rohini, highway surveyors use cutting-edge tools and technology to precisely measure and record the terrain, including the elevation, slope, and alignment of the land. They can discover possible difficulties and roadblocks that might affect the construction process by conducting thorough surveys. Making sure that highways are planned and constructed with the utmost safety and effectiveness in mind is the main objective of highway surveyors in Rohini. They collaborate closely with the engineering, architectural,